One group of financial institutions not getting much attention so far in this credit crisis is credit unions. So if you have your money in a credit union, how worried should you be right now? Jane Wells has the details from Los Angeles. Jane.
Hi, Melissa. You know, during the go-go days of easy credit, the 8,000 credit unions in this country kind of felt like Warren Buffett during the internet boom. They sat it out. Turned out to be a good thing. But now these not-for-profit, member-owned institutions are suffering as collateral damage in the subprime meltdown. More than a third of the credit unions in California alone lost money in the first half of this year. Now, a few did get into trouble making riskier loans. They had to be taken over by regulators. Others are just downsizing, though. What happened was that members who couldn't get the mortgages they wanted from their credit unions got those mortgages somewhere else, and now they can't pay back any loans to anyone.
There are credit unions that are seeing delinquencies now in excess of 1%, whereas the average delinquency for credit unions a couple of years ago would have been less than 0.5%.
That is still well below delinquency rates for banks. Bill Cheney says credit unions remain well capitalized. Deposits are insured to the same limits as they are at banks. And more people, except maybe today, are putting their money back into credit unions as they become uneasy about banks or the stock market.
This is my money, and it's here for me when I need it, and that's it for me.
I'm refinancing, and I like a local bank. I'm kind of tired of the big corporations.
Well, because they're guaranteed our savings and everything, so that's why I don't worry about it at all. If I did, I'd have yanked it right out a long time ago.
Now, even as a handful of credit unions have had to be taken over, not one depositor has lost one penny, whether it was insured or not. But, Melissa, their earnings will take a hit as many of them are prudently raising their loss reserves this year. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Jane Wells in Los Angeles.